Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ruby Storm and I wanted to do a quick little unboxing with you guys. So my sister-in-law got me a Telfar bag for Christmas and it just got in the mail. I have never owned a Telfar bag before. I've always wanted to have a Telfar bag, so I'm super excited to start rocking this bag because it's definitely a look. I already unboxed it, but I wanted to do a video for you guys so you can see, you know, this gorgeous bag. And shouts out to Becca for getting me this bag. I love you so much and I cannot wait to start rocking this bag. Let's get into this video, okay? So here she is. I love this Telfar packaging bag. I love these little bags that the luxury bags come in, like these little, I don't even know what you would call these drawstring bags, but I love them. I love them. They're so cute. I love the packaging, very nice, very neat, very clean, black and white, straight to the point. I love it. And so here she is. Okay, I'm struggling just a little bit to get her out, okay. No. All right, so here she is. She is like an emerald green. She's super cute. Yes, so this is considered a small shopping bag size. Super cute. I can fit my lip gloss, my perfume, my fragrances, all my little knickknacks in this bag. And it does have a long strap to it, so you could wear it super long. You could do like an over the shoulder type John like this, or you could just hold it like this. I'll probably hold it a lot like this just because that's just me. I like to hold my bags like this. Even if they don't fit all the way around my arm, I still am just like, this is me. So super cute. So adorable. I love this bag. Leather bag. Let's have a look on the inside. The inside is so cute. So this is what the inside looks like. It's like a light kind of green pattern inside, and it has the Telfar logo inside of it. Super cute. Actually, this bag is a little bit bigger than my Cult Gaia bag that I just got. And I'm actually really happy about that because I needed a little bit of a bigger bag. My Cult Gaia bag I'm absolutely loving it. It is a smaller bag, but I just love it because I can just throw all my little knickknacks and all my little things inside of there. And I absolutely love that bag. I think I'm really gonna like this bag because it will actually be able to fit my camera inside of it. So that is a nice little touch to it for me. And I just absolutely love this emerald green color. Emerald green is my birthstone, so I'm just absolutely living and loving this Telfar bag. And this is like my first Telfar bag. Once again, shouts out to Becca for getting this to me. I am obsessed. I literally cannot wait to go out and just rock my Telfar bag and be a classy, luxury, bougie bitch. Like, I'm living for this. So here is the bag tour again. Bag. Here is the back side of the bag. Front side of the bag, you have the long strings and then you have the short strings. Yes, I am obsessed. I can't wait to start rocking this bag. And thank you guys for watching my little unboxing with me.